Morning, guys. Happy Thursday. It's day 4 of Perseverance. Our quote today is, "Don't give up on times of difficulty. Persevere on, as there will be an end to these." So this means there will be an end to difficult times. And when we're in the middle of these difficult times, it's hard to know when the end will be. But that's why we have hope. That's why we have love around us and people who support us and encourage us in these difficult times. So whenever we're in not so ideal times, it's important to remember all the people around us that support and love us and how we can persevere and work through this together. So it is going to be a little different today. We are going to make some perseverance posters. So posters, normally they're really big, but it doesn't have to be big. It could be a piece of paper just like I did. I'm going to share these with you. I did 3 different ones. So think about words of encouragement if you're going through a tough time, or if you have a homework assignment, a test that's pretty hard. Think of words of encouragement that you would want to hear if you're struggling with something. So if you're having a tough time, then you could say, "You can do this, keep going," that type of thing. So I'm going to share with you the 3 that I made. The first one is, "Don't give up until you are proud." It's very important. Don't give up until you are proud. You want to be proud of your work, and whether it takes 2 days or it takes 2 months, it's very important to not give up and keep going, because good things do take time, and a lot of times we don't have the time we need, but it's important to prioritize and persevere through these things. So don't give up until you're proud. The next one is, "If you are brave enough to start, you're strong enough to finish." So if we start something, it's for a reason, and it's normally for a good reason, because we want to get something done, we want to say something, we want to get to an end goal that we're working towards. So if you're brave enough to start, you're definitely strong enough to finish. So you have to remember, you're stronger than you think, and even though something might be difficult, the end result is so worth it, and you'll be proud of yourself at the end too. The last one is, "It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you don't stop." So there's a story about a turtle and a rabbit racing. And we know a turtle normally goes very, very slow, and a rabbit goes much faster than a turtle. But in the story, the turtle actually ends up finishing the race first. So he took his time, but he never gave up. So it doesn't matter how slowly you go on something. I know it's hard. Sometimes we compare ourselves to other people, and maybe our friend is working much faster on a problem or doing homework so much faster than you are. But don't let that get you down, because everybody works differently, everybody learns differently, and good things do take time. So you'd rather take time on a job and get it right and be proud of yourself than rush through something and not get it done correctly or not understand it. So I want you guys to write down, it could just be a regular piece of paper like this. I want you to write down words of encouragement, things that you would want to be told when you're going through a tough time. Be your own friend. I'm here for you. All the teachers are here for you, and everybody in your household and your friends and family are here to support you. So we can persevere through anything.